Hello, this is David Oshin. I'm your facilitator for web blogging, website design, and digital marketing, blogging also. So today I'll be teaching on Blogger. I want to explain to you how you can have your own Blogger website. I don't call it website. I call it, that's why it's called Blogger anyway. It's a blog. So in the class, we're going to explain what a blog is and the differences between a blog and a website. Now, if you look at the screen, you see what's written there. Publish your passion your way. Create a unique and beautiful blog. So it's more of a blog. You know, you can easily update your information. It's basically for people who want to run things like a news blog, a new website, something that keeps people in the know. You also want to get people updated about information that they need to know. You create a blog simply from this blogger template. So it's very, very easy to create. I'm going to show you how to do that. So just watch the screen and follow me, and you're going to understand everything. So in case you don't understand, whatever questions you have, just leave it at the bottom of the comment section. Whatever questions that you feel that are necessary for you to ask, just put it there. I'm going to answer, or you can put it on the WhatsApp page. I'm going to answer it there. So whatever comment, if it's any place you don't understand, make sure you ask your questions. I'll be ready to answer you. All right, so let's begin with this. The first thing to do, how did I get here? The first thing to do is go to blogger.com. To blogger.com, you open it. Then you see, you need to have a very good or fast internet network. It helps you to be able to enjoy your blogging experience. When the network is not good, you'll get angry very easily. It's not going to be cool. All right, so and I've opened blogger.com. So what else do I need to do? I need to create my blog. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click on this create your blog and click on it, create your blog. So it's opening up. See how fast it is. So I want to do it for digital learning school 01 at gmail.com. So I just use that. You can use any account. Now, if you have signed in with your account, your Gmail account on your system, that's what's going to happen. You're going to see a list of the emails you have to sign in. But if you have not signed in at all, it will prompt you up to sign in. So you have to sign in, then you can get to this place. All right, I know I'm using a system now, so that's not to discourage anybody that, oh, I don't have a system. You can also use your phone. It's going to be the same way. You're going to see the same template there. So I'm just using system to explain. We're going to explain it more in the class. For those who have phones, you can use your phone. You're going to see the same thing. So let me see. Create a new blog. What are you going to write? Let me say I want to create a new blog. I want to call the blog digital learning. Digital. No, I'm going to click on this place. Digital. Digital learning. Digital learning blog or something like that. Let's see the title if it's going to be available. Okay. So look at the address .blogspot.com. The last class I explained to you that when you have something like Blogger host is just like an hosting site and hosting company also, and they help you to host your blog. Like I said, it's just like you have a shop. Now, someone comes to rent a place in your shop, like you just want to stay, just a small space in your shop. That's how this blogger is like. So, blogger is giving opportunity for young people that want to, blog. You don't have a website, you don't have money to create a website, you don't know about blogging that much, you don't know how to, design a website, you're not a web developer, or you're not someone that can even maintain a website, you don't know what to do. So they are giving you a very simple template that, okay, just look at this template and just, be able to create something that you can know that you're on the internet. Okay, but it doesn't mean you are the owner. So that's why they've already put for you the .blogspot.com. You are not the owner of it. You are only renting their space. So that's why they are writing their custom domain there. This is their own. Blogspot.com is theirs. So whatever you're going to write must be those blogspot.com. If you want to change it to your own, like I want to change to digitallearningschool.com, that means I have to purchase a custom domain name. I have to buy a domain name. So yeah, I'm not buying a domain name. I'm just searching for a domain name, and Blogger is giving me a list of names that are available. I'm going to search now. I'm going to see if it's available to write it there. If it's not available, to tell me also. So that's how it works. You're not the owner. Blogspot is so, but you can always do what you want to do there. When you have enough audience, you can move if you like on that. But you see a lot of limitations. I'm going to show you a lot of limitations on this stuff. So let me try it now. Learning, digital learning school. All right. So it said this blog is address is not available. So let me see. Digital learning is not available. Okay, digital learning school 01 is available. So I can use that. I can use that. Digital learning school 01.blogspot.com. Look at that. So I can use that. Okay. Well, I can think of something else. I can think of something else. I can think of something else. Okay. All right. Let me just use that so we can continue. So that's the blogger name. So you want to display a profile for your blogger profile. I can just write digital learning. Um, Profile display name. What's going to be displayed on the top of the blog? Digital learning school. Okay, digital learning school. All right, then I can finish it up. So they are processing it. Oh, okay. Yes, blog is created. So you can see the blog is already created. So the first thing they will do is to send a mail. They will send a mail to, you know, to your website, I mean to your email. So they've sent a mail to my mail now. So I'm supposed to open the mail and continue from there. And so I want to open the mail, but I will not want to open it also because it contains some very important stuff. But let me just go to the mail on my phone or thereabout. And let me Okay, let me see what I can do now. Can I do it in a way that you will not see all the details? Okay, gmail.com, gmail.com. Let me see. All right, so this is what this is for. Oh, this is for notice. All right, so let me add something here. Digital Learning School 01 at gmail.com. So you see the mail they're going to send. I'm going to be very fast about it. So look at it. Then yes. So this is the inbox. This is the inbox. So they say you have been invited to receive email notifications at digitallearningschool01 at gmail.com when comments on blog, digital learning blog have been published. Okay. So you can read the information on the screen. Please click subscribe to accept the invitation. If you don't want this email notification, you can ignore the messages or click decline link. Okay, so I'm going to click on subscribe because I want the notifications to come here. I'm going to click on subscribe. Okay, so in case I don't want any notification on my phone on the mail again, I'll just write on subscribe. So I subscribe now. I can go straight to my blogger. Okay. Now, this is your blog. The first thing you want to do is to look at giving the blog a good theme. See how my blog looks like. Let me view my blog. See, there is nothing there. This is just an empty template. I've not written anything. Look at what is writing here. There is nothing there. So digital learning blog. Okay. Powered by Blogger. Can you see it's not by me, it's powered by Blogger. And the themes is given by Michael Elkan. That's the guy that developed the themes. So that is it. And digital learning school is my profile. I've not updated anything on my profile, so it's about me. There is nothing about me here. So let me go back now and then let's see what I can do. All right, let me come to digital my blogger post here. So the first thing I want to do is to do the themes. I want to do the themes. I want to look for a theme that is beautiful enough. So there are different themes here. There are different themes here. Look at them. No, the disadvantage of Blogger is that it has limited number of themes. Unlike WordPress, WordPress has thousands upon thousands of themes that you can choose from. But this one, the templates are limited. So they are similar to each other. They are very, very limited. So this is one template. This is another template. This is another template here. This is one more. These are different templates under Contempo. Under social, so this is one template. This is another template. All right, so I'm going to look for the one that I believe it's fine for me and for what I want to do. Look at the templates now. Can you see the templates? Okay, let me see the one that will be okay. Simple blog. Simple blog. So since it's saying the simple blog, let me just all right go for a simple blog, something that is simple enough. Let me see. All these ones three, which one is the most beautiful? Let me hear from you. Okay. What are you saying? I can't hear you anyway. Let me choose mini mini money mini money money. So I will go for this. All right. All right. So let me go for this. I'll click on it and it's asking me to preview it. Look at it. Let's look at it. See the preview. Digital learning blog. Yeah, this is this color. Um, what to call it? The orange color, something like that. This is the preview. This is how it's gonna look like. So let me go back and say I've seen your preview. Let me apply it. Note that apply this theme. Gadgets are currently hidden marks will become visible. Okay, no problem. I've applied the theme successfully. Let me see what customize is all about in case I want to customize. So, all right. Now this is the theme. So this is what they told me. That if I apply this theme, all those hidden gadgets can become visible on the dashboard. And then I don't think I will like that. So let me go back. I don't think I will like that. Let me look for one that will not be visible. So I hope you guys are following me. I hope you're all following me. Yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is because I know if I'm doing a live um, podcast, or I mean, I'm used to podcasts, so I don't mind me. A live is very is sometimes difficult to tell people to mute their audio. And I said mute your audio. Somebody is just coming in, is not muting his audio. So there's this noise that just comes at the background that doesn't just make everything look good. So let me see this one too. Let me see if I apply it. Will you say that kind of thing too? Apply. Let me apply. But red. Oh my god. Is red gonna be okay? Red. Oh my god, it looks as in I don't really like it. Alright, so don't mind me. Oh. Don't mind me. Um okay, I think they are saying there is a black of this, Abby. I think black would be more cool, simple dark. Guys like dark something. So let's see. Preview. This one is more cool for me. Abby. Yes now. So I can apply. I've applied theme now. So let me look at my blog. These are what? No. Okay. Yes. This is how my blog looks like. Digital learning blog, simple theme powered by Blogger. Yeah. So you have your blog. Now, what are you going to do next? Someone says, what am I going to do next? Now, so see different things. Let me explain these things that are here. Start is talking about statistics. Now we don't have any statistics now. Those people who are following the post, who are reading the comment, if you have followers, zero post, zero comments. So if you have a post now, you're going to write a post, you will see the statistics. They are giving us a notice here that European Union law requires that European Union visitor information about cookies. Okay. That one I'm going to explain that one. Cookies. You see, as a course we have added a notice on your blog to explain Google's blogger and Google cookies. So that is a different thing entirely. Maybe later I will explain that one. I don't want to go into that one. And let me just close that. Uh-huh. So that's for now. This is where you see your comments. Anybody that comments on your blog, you see it here. Now, in case you want to monetize your blog, your earnings will be here. Now, there's what they call pages. There's what they call posts. Okay, it's just like your posts are the things you post. Like I want to post something about the news article about why it's important to come to digital learning school. Now, I can write, post, for example, now, okay, let me go up. See, there's nothing in my post. I've not published anything, I've not drafted anything, I've not. So let me create a new post now. Look at this sign here. On your phone too, you will see a sign for you to create a new post. So you create. I'll put create here. Then I have a title. Why you must attend the master class of digital learning school. Okay, that's a message on my phone. Don't mind, don't bother about that. So, why you must attend the master class of digital learning school? All right, I cannot write the body letter. It is very important to attend the master class, like that, like that, like that. So I'm writing my article. So I want to now probably just put a picture there, like, yes, upload the picture from the computer. In case you have a picture in the blog already, you uploaded one or two pictures, you can use it there. This one URL means if you go to a website, for example, and you just search for a name, you can search on images. Images to tell you the number of every article that has an image. When you click on images to bring out the images online. Well, I believe you understand what I'm saying because I'm going to go to an example very soon. So you can pick the URL on top of it. That's the URL. You can paste the URL inside the box. It will bring out the picture also. Since I'm not showing you, I don't to talk about it much. So this is picture. You can upload picture from your computer. You can just like this, bam, add image, browse through your system, like that. See a position man, personal Bluetooth. I can just take a picture, like that, or my own picture, something like that. Just okay, put it there. Like why you must attend digital learning class. And this is me. For those who have not seen me before. All right, this is me. Now I can now. All right, so these are different things. For if you want to bolden your words, you can just do it like this, like highlight, like bolden it. Italics, make it italics. Okay. What other things? This one is to add video. You can upload video from your computer too, and you can upload from YouTube. You can go to YouTube, search for a video, digital learning school, or something like that. Digital learning school. No, I just you won't see it anyway because I think it's just opened. YouTube channel is just opened. So yeah, it was Indiana. Not Indiana. I'm not talking about Indiana. So if you are looking for that, so you just click on it like this. So you insert it there, then it will come. That's what they call embedding. You embed the video. So I'm going to explain more of that in the tutorial for the WordPress. So this is video. Some of you are used to WhatsApp or the smiley or some of those stuff you put. You can put the one you like there. Now, like that, like that. Then this is more options also, like a quote. You want to write a code, you write it there. You want to write a code, you can write it in the left side, align it to left, align it to the right or the center. So when you are done with all of these things, now because of time now, let's say, and because of battery on my system is very low, about 10% thereabout. So let me go to label. Label is, those things I want to label I can just put an hashtag like, this is what I used to Twitter. Hashtag digital learning, comma, hashtag, so many things. Just write things, the labels, things that they can use to identify you know, your article on the internet. Just search all of those stuff there, write it there. Then also you can now publish. If you want to publish it immediately, you write automatic. Then if you want to publish it immediately, you can set the time and date. You can just write maybe second or third or fourth. Then you can set maybe on the 24th or something like that. Okay, I'm coming. Give me 1 minute, please. I'll be back. Right back. Someone's actually knocking. So yeah, I'm going to continue now. Then so that's it. Then next thing I do, if I put it immediately, automatically, I just put it automatic. It's going to publish it immediately. So next thing to do is publish. Click publish here, and just publish it. Do you want to publish this post to your blog? Yes, I want to do that. So when I do that, I've published my post already, my first post. So look at this. It's writing, see the there, view. For view, obviously nobody has viewed it yet. Nobody has viewed it yet. But look at how it looks like. Wow, it looks beautiful. Why you must attend digital learning school? It's very important to understand the master, see a YouTube video. So you can easily just watch a YouTube video. So I can just click on it, then watch a YouTube video. Hello, she's talking. So that means you can take it from your own YouTube page. If you have a YouTube page, put it there. So that's about Blogger. Very, very simple, just a template for you. So let's go back there because there are many things we don't understand. For this class, we are going to stop. The next class will continue explaining some other stuff about this blog.